Alright, listen up because I'm gonna lay out the real deal on striking it rich in this great land. This ain't about luck or some secret handshake. It's about seeing the future before it hits, and then making your move. Forget punching a clock. The easiest money is made by seeing what needs doing and then empowering folks to get it done. Most folks think starting a business is some Herculean task, blocked by courage or capital. The real block is that invisible door, and the key ain't what you think. It's about understanding the pig that stands in the eye of the storm can fly. This isn't just poetry, it's the market's heartbeat. Think pandemic face masks. No marketing needed. People lined up desperate. Same with storms, water, batteries, toilet paper. Prices rocket. The average Joe mocks the panic, but the smart entrepreneur sees history repeating. They stock up, meet demand, and make a fortune. I'm not talking about exploiting folks. I'm talking about ethical foresight. This moral compass is crucial. I'm gonna show you the exact blueprint to find this trend key. You'll never say, I don't know what business to start again. This ain't just giving you fish, it's teaching you where the gold is. So hit that like button, save this, and when you strike it rich, come back and tell me your story. This channel is about wealth, entrepreneurship, and abundance, the two pillars of trend-driven wealth. Why are trends the ultimate key? Because spotting a trend means knowing future events and directions ahead of time. That's economic gold. Two core points here. Profiting from price fluctuations. Major events create ripples, and those ripples make prices move. When COVID hit, stock markets plummeted. Savvy investors shorted stocks. Conversely, vaccine company shares surged. You buy low, sell high if you see the future. This requires research, but the principle is clear. Predict the event, predict the price movement. Fulfilling emerging demand. Big events can change or create new market needs. Be first to meet that demand, and you capture immense early profits. Think smartphones. Most just wanted to buy one. But the entrepreneur thinks, what next? Declining eyesight? App boom? Mobile shopping explosion? Used phone market? Mobile internet making desktop obsolete? Industries tied to online explode? Physical ones fade. As AI surpasses human efficiency, anything related to mind and information will be king. Whoever commands attention commands the market. Two types of trends. Time-based and event-driven. How do you spot them? Time-based trends. These are cyclical, predictable. Christmas means ornaments and gifts. Summer means short sleeves. My friend in China saw LED flame lights crushed at every Christmas in the US. He imported them, made a killing. Classic time-based. Event-based trends. One event leads to another. You forget your girlfriend's birthday. Event A. She's mad. Event B. Economic downturn. Event A. Layoffs, less spending, Event B. Demand for cheap essentials, Event C. It's a logical chain. How to spot trends, history's your mirror. Simple. Look to the past to predict the future. This alone can make you wealthy. Actively think, what's next week, next month, 5 years from now? What major shifts are coming? Early 2025, New Year's is coming. What happens? Traffic jams, overeating, weight gain. My college buddy started a weight loss class after New Year's, made tens of thousands in half a month. Everyone else was like, why aren't I that lucky? Nah, they just didn't see the obvious. While others dazed through holidays, he planned. He launched and cash flowed. You say you have no ideas? Follow this, you'll make serious cash. Me? I'd go bigger. During holidays, people are bored. Mobile games like Flappy Bird? Huge opportunity. Or I'd build an app development company, prepping a year in advance. Startups would come to me, saving huge costs. Mutual benefit is always the most profitable. This is how I think on the fly. Breaking the mental chains. It ain't hard. You think it's hard because you haven't trained your mind. Mainstream narratives condition you to believe entrepreneurship is tough, giving you an excuse to stay put. Some ask, if everyone's an entrepreneur, who works for them? Beautiful. The world needs great people happy to work for us. Mastering demand. Faster, better, smarter. Meet demand faster. Be first. Zappos saw e-commerce early, offered unheard of returns, crushed it. Starbucks saw the third place need, built an empire selling an experience, not just coffee. Know who you want to be? Then study those who made it. Meta's investing in AI and metaverse. That's a trend. I see more people seeking answers online, especially video. Creator economy booms. Our lives are shifting online. Traditional businesses fade. This is the golden age for digital pioneers. Fulfilling demand better. Innovation is gold. For cyclical demands, find fresher, cheaper, or higher value solutions. Polaroid didn't invent photography, but Edwin Land made it instant. Warby Parker didn't invent glasses, but they made them affordable and convenient online. I'm giving you true business secrets. Valentine's Day, roses, jewelry. But what about a unique, meaningful gift? Money flows there. Use your girlfriend for market research. New Year's parties, hassle with drinks or rides home. Some entrepreneurs offer beverage vouchers or rideshare credits. You buy them for $40, they're worth $50. Recipients sell unused ones back for $30 still cash. You resell the $50 voucher for $40. It's a more efficient solution than physical items, transforming physical products into liquid financial instruments. People make hundreds of thousands this way. The enduring power of buy low, sell high, timeless. Spot trends that make asset prices rise. Real estate, new subway lines, commercial centers. Buy before infrastructure, sell after. Monitor government plans. You won't get the absolute lowest price, but profit margins are huge. Stock market, value investing, or technical analysis. I follow trends through charts, but stocks are complex. Don't jump in unprepared. In the future, buy low, sell high will mostly be for large assets. Internet makes information transparent. So I advise the creator economy, self-media content creation, to minimize risk and ride coming trends. Time's up for now. I freely share this knowledge. Follow my channel, turn on notifications, share this video. I wish you financial freedom. If this helped even a little, I'm content.